Hey folks, let's talk about awk command and sed command today. Let's go. So let's start with the awk command. What is awk command? How we use it? So let's jump on our Central 7 server on Visual Studio Code, and you can check this previous episode in order to see how to set up your Unix Central 7 server on Visual Studio Code. So we're going to run the awk -f with column print 1 etc password. And you're going to see that the first column in the file password going to be displayed on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to move on cat etc password in order to show you. You see, remember this file right in the previous video. So that's how you use awk command in order to display a specific column in a field in order to make some diagnostic or what else. So you can use everything. You can use the space, you can use the colon, you can use a dot, you can use a comma. So we're going to try something else now. We're going to use the slash, and we're going to print the third column in etc password, and you can see we have bin, sbin, and so on that are showing up. So I'm going to display on again the cat etc, and you're going to see that it's exactly the column number 3 when we are separating with slash. That what we have displaying before. See, the bin, sbin, and so on. So it's a command that you're going to use in order to display a specific things. Okay, so on your on a file on the server, this is a really useful command that we're going to use in our scripting process sometime in order to display specific information and so on. So that's a little bit it. I'm going to make LL right now, and I'm going to use the pipe command, and you're going to see how I can combine the pipe command with awk command. Okay, so I'm going to do right now LL, which is the command to list pipe awk. Okay, and now I'm going to separate with the dot. Okay, the dot. So you remember LL is for listing the content of a folder with more details. So yeah, so let's see that. I'm going to use the space, the dot, sorry. Okay, and let's see, print the first column. Okay, so you see, so the pipe command, you can watch this episode when I explain what is pipe command if you want to know more about it. Now let's use just the space, empty space. Okay, you see, so in the quotation sign we're going to leave the empty space, and we're going to print the one, the first column, the second column, and the next one. And you can see when I'm displaying LL command, you can see that it's exactly what is showing up that we are seeing. So let's move now on the sed command. So these commands are pretty much the same. These commands are going to help you to insert specific line in your file or specific information. So let's look at etc group right now in order to display all the group, and we're going to add it through through redirect command in the file name file 5. Okay, so right now I'm going to list my content again. You can see that file 5 is here. You can watch my previous video on Linux, basic Linux command, to see how all these are working. So the link are showing up on the top right now. So I'm going to do vi and set new NU in order to display the number of my different line. Set NU. Okay, this is a useful command that we're going to use sometime in order to know exactly which line and which number everything is. So right now we're going to try to insert a line, okay, by using the set command. Okay, so the set command is using currently stroke set -I, okay, and we're going to follow with the specific information that we would like to get. Okay, so let's do set -E, okay, and we're going to put it in quotation mark and 1I, which means the line 1, okay, and we're going to introduce the message my best of this year, and I'm going to put at the end the name of the file. Okay, so let's cut first, and you're going to see that this phrase is going to show up on the first line on the top. Okay, let's move. You see my best of this year. So this command is going to be really helpful in order to set up some line, some precision in your file without have to use the VI command as we saw on the previous video. Okay, I'm going to make set NU again, and you're going to see that this line has been added on the first line exactly how I would like. So let's do that and set space NU. You see, it's on the first position right now. So these are going to be really helpful, guys. So just make sure to keep all these concepts in your mind as I was talking before. When we're going to move on the really huge concept, DevOps and cloud concept, all these are going to be really helpful, guys. So just make sure to keep in your minds the concept and try to understand how the thing works, and you are going to take advantage of that place. So I'm displaying it again because I would like to do a next example in order to make you understand more. Remember, you can use some command to move on the end of your field in VI. This command, you can just get down on your file. So now I would like to insert another line, maybe about specific information in our file. Okay, so just to practice a little bit more, okay, I'm going to go on the line 49 and add the last one, 55, and you're going to see that it's going to show up exactly on the line 39. So generally this command going to help you to write down in your file quickly without have to use VI command. You know, VI command is taking a while to set up the thing and register and so on and everything. So it's going to be really helpful, and you have some summary about this command, how you can use it to add a line and set a line, set mini line. Okay, so you can see that set -I, number of I, and so on. So just drop and pause and read it deeply. Okay, it's really interesting. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please leave some thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos.